This is going to be a video tutorial on how to set slide timings for your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. I have Microsoft PowerPoint opened up now. To set the timing for your slideshow, first thing you want to do is go up to the top up here. Up to the Transitions tab, you want to click on Transitions. Then on the ribbon, you want to go down to the far right, down to where it says Advanced Slide. You want to uncheck on mouse click, and you want to check on After. Then on this little box over here, you want to set the timing. Say that I wanted each of my slides to last 3 seconds. I will go to 3 seconds. That right there is 3 seconds. Now, if I wanted this to apply to all of my slides, if I wanted all of my slides to automatically play for 3 seconds and then move on to the next slide, I would go off to the left here and click on Apply to All. Now, each one of my slides will last for 3 seconds. If I wanted one of my slides to last for longer than 3 seconds, I would go to that slide, say this third one here, I wanted to have this one last for 5 seconds. I want to select that slide. Then I'll go up to the top up here. You want to make sure you're on the Transitions tab. And then on the ribbon, you'll go off to the far right. And you can see I have it set to 3 seconds, but I want this one to be 5 seconds. I'll move it to 5 seconds. And I will not click on Apply to All because that would apply 5 seconds to all slides. Then if you want to loop your slideshow, after you reach the last slide, if you want to automatically loop back to the first one and keep playing, the way to do that, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the Slideshow tab. You want to click on Slideshow. And then on the ribbon, you want to go down to where it says Set Up Slideshow. Click on Set Up Slideshow. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, under the Show Options area, the very top thing, loop continuously until escape. That means your slideshow will continue looping until you press the escape key. You want to check that box if you want your slideshow to loop. Then you'll go down to the bottom and you'll click on OK. Now if I go up to the top up here, up to the Start from Beginning, I'm going to click on Start from Beginning and it will play my slideshow. Each slide will last for 2 seconds, except the third one will last for 5 seconds. And then when it reaches the end of my slideshow, it'll loop back to the first one and continue playing. That is how to set your slideshow timing in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.